विच दुनिया सेव कमाए कांदर गए बैसन पाए विच दुनिया सेव कमाए कांदर गए बैसन पाए कब नानक बाहा नानक बाहा लुटाई विच दुनिया सेव कमाए कांदर गए बैसन पाए.
In the Sikh way of life, seva, meaning selfless service of humanity, is equated with worship. Guru Arjan Dev Ji said, I, your servant, beg for seva of your people, which is available through good fortune alone. The Sikh is particularly asked to serve the poor, because the poor man's mouth is considered the depository of the Guru. By serving the poor and the needy, you serve not the individual, but God Himself. At the Sikh Human Development Foundation, SHDF, this concept of seva guides all our initiatives. It is our inspiration. It is our rationale to provide scholarships to our needy youth in Punjab and elsewhere in order to make higher professional education more affordable. Because in today's knowledge economies, higher professional education is the only pathway to a fulfilling life of dignity and honor. India is currently well set on a course of high economic growth with an unprecedented rise in employment and business opportunities, mostly in science and technology-based occupations. Punjab, like some other states, has yet to take full advantage of these emerging opportunities. This is partly because most low-income families just cannot afford the high and rising cost of professional education. Our foundation has already awarded over 1,000 scholarships. However, the demand for scholarships from really deserving students is increasing at a phenomenal pace. For every student helped, there are many more awaiting similar help in order to erase their scars of poverty and to control their destiny. We have over 200 freshly minted graduates with professional degrees. Most of them are employed in decent jobs. They have clearly demonstrated that help from SHDF has turned the tide of their misfortune and misery into one of hope and sunshine. They are competing with kids from wealthy, informed, influential families and succeeding. Let's meet a few of them.
Today I am able to add a word engineer with my name. This is all because of the help and support rendered by Nishkam, Sikh Welfare Council and Sikh Human Development Foundation, USA.
I belong to a small village in Gurdaspur. I have done diploma in mechanical engineering from Government Polytechnic Batala. After that, I have done degree in mechanical engineering from CITM Institute, Faridabad. Now I am working in mechanical core company, that is Jai Bharat Maruti, as a executive engineer.
My father expired 6 years ago. My mother is a tailor. My mother sold our house to get married my elder sister. With a scholarship given by the SHDF, I could complete my BTech in Information Technology. Now I am working as a faculty in Guru Gobind Singh College of Information and Technology. I am really grateful to Sikh Human Development Foundation who give me a chance to complete my ambitions.
मैं जसबीर कौर अमृतपाल दी मदर मेरे हस्बैंड ਨੂੰ ਐਕਸਪਾਇਰ ਹੋਇਆ 6 ਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚੀ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਦੀ ਲਈ ਆਪਣਾ ਮਕਾਨ ਵੀ ਵੇਚਣਾ ਪਿਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਕਰਾਈ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਜੋ ਮਦਦ ਆਈ ਉਸ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਧੰਨਵਾਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਜਿਸ ਨਾਲ ਅੱਜ ਮੇਰਾ ਬੱਚਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੈਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਖੜਾ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਰੋਜ਼ੀ ਰੋਟੀ ਕਮਾਏ
And now let's meet some young students pursuing their academic dreams with a helping hand from the Sikh Human Development Foundation.
Vaheguru Ji da Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji di Fateh. This is Harmeet Kaur. I am doing computer engineering from Kasturba Polytechnic for Women. My father is a carpenter whose annual earning is very low. Beside me, I have two other sisters who are also doing technical course from different institutes. Without the Sikh Human Development Foundation scholarship, it becomes impossible for me to pursue my further studies and achieve my goal in life.
I'm doing my BTech in Biotechnology from Amity University, Noida. So when I filled the form and I gave a test, after that an interview, and I was selected for the scholarship and was given rupees 24,000 as an amount of the scholarship. So I thank Sikh Human Development Foundation USA a lot for their help.
My father is a labor worker and my mother is a housewife. My father is not able to pay my fees. After 12th class, my teacher had told me about the scholarship which are given by the Sikh Human Development Foundation USA, Washington. I am done the Chartered Accountancy course from Institute of Chartered Accountant of India.
This is Sikh Human Development Foundation who made me think about the higher studies, and I given GATE examination in my third year and got All India rank 21, and now I am going to admitted in MTech, Indian Institute of Technology.
My name is Nadeep Singh. I am doing Chartered Accountancy course in second year. My father is an auto rickshaw driver. His income is very low. So without the scholarship given by Sikh Human Development Foundation, I can't fulfill my dream of becoming a chartered accountant. So I am very thankful to SHDF and Nishkam Sikh Welfare Council for helping me in fulfilling my dream.
I had done my BTech from Baba Banda Singh Bahadur Engineering College, Fatehgarh Sahib, and now I am doing MTech from Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar. I had received the scholarship from Sikh Human Development Foundation till last 3 years.
My name is Rupinder Singh. I am second year BTech IT student. My father is carpenter. He is suffering from tuberculosis of chest for last 3 years. He is out of work. My mother sold out our last floor of my house for the treatment of my father's. With the help of scholarship given by HSDF, I am able to give my education fees. I am thankful to HSDF for keeping hopes of my better future alive.
It was not possible for my father to complete my degree, and as the financial status is not good. But when I come to know that Sikh Human Development Foundation is serving those students who are not able to pay their fees, so I have given this test, and I am really thankful to the Sikh Human Development Foundation who have given me scholarship.
मैं गुरु नानक देव एजुकेशन पॉलिटेक्निक मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग डिप्लोमा कर रहा मेरे ते मैं अगे डिग्री कोर्स भी एडमिशन लेना चाहना, पर मेरे फादर का इनकम सोर्स नहीं है, उन्होंने हार्ट प्रॉब्लम है तो वो इन्ना कम नहीं कर सकते। मैं सिख ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट फाउंडेशन का काफ़ी धन्यवाद करता जिन्होंने मेरी स्कॉलरशिप दे के मेरी हिम्मत को बढ़ाया है और मेरे इनकम के सोर्स को भी बढ़ाया है ताकि मैं अपनी एजुकेशन को पूरा कर सका। I am very much thankful to Sikh Human Development Foundation.
मैं स्टेट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ नर्सिंग ते पैरामेडिकल साइंसेस विच BSc नर्सिंग कर रही हैं। मेरे पिता जी का नाम सरदार गुरसेवक सिंह है जो कि एक आटो इलैक्ट्रीशियन हैं ते मैं निष्काम सिख वैलफेयर कौंसल का SHDF का तह दिलों धन्नवाद करना चाहती हाँ जिन्होंने सानू ये स्कॉलरशिप प्रदान की ते असीं अपनी अगों पढ़ाई जारी कर रहे हैं।
Now HSDF USA gave me a scholarship of ₹10,000 and it's really very helpful for me for my whole coaching, and I'm really thankful to HSDF USA.
The Sikh Human Development Foundation is run by a group of professionals from Washington, D.C. in USA. Over the past 10 years, it has built strong partnerships in India and USA to efficiently and effectively deal with the entire process of inviting applications, verifying the facts on the ground, conducting written tests and interviews, and finally, awarding need-based scholarships to each student. It is perhaps the only institution of its kind in USA focused exclusively on supporting our youth in India for higher professional education.
Our beneficiaries includes wards of widows, terminally sick parents, orphans, Gurdwara Sevadars, labourers, pensioners, children of domestic servants, etc. All of them have a gross per capita income of less than $1 a day. Some of them have gross per capita income of less than 60 cents a day. Our target is to award at least 500 scholarships in the year 2010 and at least 1,000 scholarships in the year 2015, which will mean a funding requirement of $300,000 by year 2010 and $600,000 by the year 2015. We are also trying to build an endowment fund which should help us to make the entire scholarship program self-sustaining, and it can perpetuate itself for a long time. We have already made some progress in this direction by collecting more than $400,000, and we hope that with community support we should be able to collect something like $2 million to have a viable size of endowment fund.
The Prime Minister of India, university vice-chancellors and noted historians and writers have praised this effort to help build the future of India student by student.
They have been helping the students with the fellowships, and their procedure for selecting the students is very strenuous, rigorous and free from any partiality or any bias. And that is what is required, that the deserving students should get the financial support.
In today's world, when we say that education is the greatest equalizer, I believe that the work done by the Sikh Human Development Foundation is a sort of a benchmark work done by them.
ਇਹ ਸੇਵਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਿੱਖ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਮੈਂਟ ਫਾਊਂਡੇਸ਼ਨ USA ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਨਿਸ਼ਕਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਬਖਸ਼ੀ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੂਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਨਿਭਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੋਰ ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰ ਸਕੀਏ, ਕੌਮ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰ ਸਕੀਏ, ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰ ਸਕੀਏ, ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰ ਸਕੀਏ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।
The foundation is ever so grateful to the unwavering community of donors in and around Washington for their continuing strong support. However, its financial needs are multiplying, and it now needs even wider and deeper community support to succeed in its mission. You can help the foundation in many different ways.
We are very sure that few burdens are heavy if everyone lends a hand, and today we look forward to your support.
Your generosity makes my dreams come true.
I'm very thankful SHDF Washington to make a difference in my life.
Thanks to fulfill my dreams.
Thanks to you that I can stand on my own feet.
From this kind of effort of Sikh Human Development Foundation USA, lots of students like me have much brighter future.
SHDF ਦੀ ਭੇਜੀ ਹੋਈ ਸਕਾਲਰਸ਼ਿਪ ਨਾਲ ਮੇਰਾ ਪੜ੍ਹਨ ਦਾ ਸੁਪਨਾ ਸਾਕਾਰ ਹੋਇਆ।
Your help gives us brighter future.
ਮੈਂ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਿੱਖ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਮੈਂਟ ਫਾਊਂਡੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਰ ਮਜ਼ਬੂਤ ਹੋਵੇ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਵਰਗੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਆਉਣ ਦਾ ਮੌਕਾ ਮਿਲੇ।
You can change our future.
With SHDF, we can and we will.
ਤਾਂ ਦਰ ਗਏ